trying to use your mobile hotspot but it's grayed out or disabled? That can really be frustrating. Don't worry, because in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the issue so you can start sharing your internet again. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Go to your settings, tap on connections, tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. You can see the options here are grayed out. Tap on back, tap on data usage, tap on data saver. Toggle this option off for turn on now. Then go back to your mobile hotspot and tethering option, and you can see now the mobile hotspot and Bluetooth tethering options are now available. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.